Good afternoon, children. I hope all you enjoy the vacation, all you enjoy the Deepavali function, everything. Okay, let's come to our class. Take textbook, page number 57. So, our next topic. Last class we studied so many activities about stem and all. Now we are going to study about roots. Okay. So, see here. Look at figure 7.13. Which is the figure 7.13 here. Okay. What do you think is watering their plants correctly? Who is watering correctly in the plants? Peheli or Buji? Who is watering correctly to the plant? This one. This guy is watering the plant correctly. Which part of the plant is in the soil? Root is in the soil. Let us learn more about this part from this following activity. So here activity is there, activity 6. You would require 2 pots. Here you can see like this. You need 2 pots, some soil, kurpi for digging. That means some soil we want to dig. Blade or a pair of scissors and water. These are all the things we needed for the activity. Okay. This activity is to be done in group of 4 or 5 students. Now it is COVID. We can't do. If you want to try, you can try in your home. Okay. Select 2 plants of the same kind. So same kind. If you are taking neem means you should take neem. If you are taking rose means you should take 2 rose plant. Okay. Same kind you want to take from an open ground and dig them out with the roots. So you want to take with the root and you are taking for the experiment. Take care their roots do not break. So while you are digging in the pot, what should you cannot able to broken the roots. Okay. Plant one of them in pot A. So one plant you should keep in the plot A. Cut off the roots from the take next page from the other plant and plant it in the pot B. Okay. Next plant you should plant it on the plot B. Water them regularly. So you want to water them regularly. Observe the plant after a week. Are both plants healthy? So what you done? You took one plant, you potted in pot A. From here, one more plant you cut a half and plotted here without roots. So do you think which plant is healthy? Pot A. This plant is become healthy. What is the reason? In that plant only you can see the roots. Did you understood? Okay. Both plants are watered regularly, but one is without root. Isn't it? Yes. Does this activity help you understand important function of the root? So, from this activity, you want to learn that root is important for the plants. Okay. Only root is taking water. So, root is taking water from the soil. So, is it necessary for the plant? Yes, children. It is very important. Let us do an activity to study another function of root. Okay. So here what we studied, here root is absorbing water from the soil. That water is distributed all over the parts of the plants. Okay. Next we are going to study about the another importance of the root. In activity 7, we would require seeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, bowl and some water. So what are the things we needed? Seeds of gram seeds we need and maize. Okay, any maize seeds, then cotton wool we needed, then bowl we needed and some water we needed. Take 2 bowls. Here we want to take 2 bowls. Place some wet cotton in them. So both the bowl, what we want to do? We want to take a wet cotton. You want to keep wet cotton. Put 3 or 4 seeds of grams in one. So one of the pot you want to put 3 or 4 seeds of gram and maize in another. Another pot you want to put maize. Okay. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day. So we put cotton wool. No. So what we want to do, it will dry soon. Okay, because we added seed into that one,